Hello all, this is Anshuman. Welcome you all to this ODA Shorts video. Today I'm going to show you a video clip of my recent cloud coaching webinar, which will explain you how we can leverage Oracle Cloud Infrastructure AI services with Oracle Digital Assistant to create sentiment analysis, optical character recognition, capabilities to read texts from uploaded documents, and a multilingual digital assistant, all using Oracle AI services. The sentiment analysis, as you all know, is a process of understanding the emotion behind the text. It can be used to analyze customer feedback or reviews and help businesses understand how their customers feel about their products or services. OCR, on the other hand, is a technology that enables computers to recognize text from images or scan documents. And this can be used for automated document processing and data extraction. Using Oracle AI services with ODA, we can create multilingual digital assistant that can understand natural language queries in multiple languages and respond the same in the same language. Now, this digital assistant can also use sentiment analysis and OCR capabilities to provide more accurate responses. In the video clip, I will demonstrate on how you can use OCI AI services with ODA to create these features in your digital assistant. At the end of the webinar, I'll provide you with a link to the full webinar as well as the blog links, which will definitely help you to create these features in your own digital assistant. So if you are interested in learning more about leveraging OCI AI services with ODA for creating sentiment analysis, OCR capabilities, multilingual digital assistant, and many more things, then make sure to check out the whole video and also go through the important links at the end of the session.
So let me start off with the sentiment analysis part that I was speaking of. So now this is something where we have integrated with AI services. And as I said, so over here, what we are trying to achieve is, suppose a digital assistant is not able to answer anything. And at that moment of time, we should actually know what the sentiment of the person is, because a customer can come and simply say anything to the digital assistant, and based on his sentiments, probably we as the digital assistant owners can provide them with different kind of answers. Now, for example, if I come and simply say that, so like, for example, I am really happy by the way the bot responds. So obviously now over here, the bot definitely doesn't knows how to answer this, because something we have not trained the bot with something like this. But here we are understanding that, okay, the person is really happy. So that's a positive sentiment for the bot. And we are answering the same unresolved part of the bot of the assistant by simply saying, I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Please try again. Now, the same thing, if the person is unhappy. So suppose I'm saying, I'm really unhappy by the way the bot responds. Now, this is something that being a designer, I have to take care of. If the person is not happy, so we need to take care of that. So suppose we immediately understand that, okay, the person is not happy. So we immediately say him that, why don't you talk to our live agent? Now, this is just a scenario. We can change it whatever we want. But over here, the main thing what I'm trying to showcase over here is to understand the sentiment of a person. Now, at the same time, if I just want to know, I want to know, or suppose, who is Anshuman Panda? Now, in this particular case, it's neither a positive sentiment nor a negative sentiment. So in that type of case, we just answered the bot back. So it's a neutral statement you see over here. So over here, as you saw, we are able to grasp the sentiment of the digital assistant and or the questions that are being asked by the person. And based on that, whatever we want to do, we definitely can do with the assistant. Now, let me show you, apart from this, another strong feature of the AI services where we can upload any document and we can extract the texts from the document. Based on that, we can do anything. Like, for example, why don't we check it out for an expense reimbursement? So for example, if I come for an expense reimbursement and I want to enter my official email ID over here. Now, I'm just entering my official email ID over here for a reason, which I'll show you. So now over here, we have option to select the date. We can also enter it, which we definitely have the option in ODA, but this is the date selector that we have prepared. And if you want to do something like that, for this, in the slideshows, we will be providing you with a link where we have a blog written how you can achieve or create a date selector like this. So it's there in the Oracle blogs, how we can do this. So I can say yes. And then over here, I can come and upload any picture of the invoice. Now, for example, if you see over here, just the restaurant bill, I just upload this bill over here. Now this bill is being uploaded and automatically ODA or Oracle Digital Assistant sends it to the AI services to fetch all the texts from this. Now, if you see over here, the name was some Marco Polo restaurant. So we get the name, the merchant name, the merchant address. We get the transaction date, the transaction time, the total amount. If you see 2293, so exact amount we get. So whatever it's there in the bill, I mean, we can also get the line items over here from this if we require, that is also there. So we just need to, add those values as well in my digital assistant, and I can get them back as well. But this is super easy. We don't write any code for this. I'll show you how we can call any backend APIs in ODA without writing anything. It's just like you are calling API through Postman. That's what we need to do. So suppose if I say no, and let me try to upload some other bill. Sorry, I was not the restaurant bill that I was trying to do, but probably my fuel receipt. So suppose I just upload any fuel receipt, or let me show you a simple picture where it's being taken from just my phone, a mobile phone. So it goes through it. And if you see, it is from a merchant shell, and the address of the merchant, the total amount and everything, it is able to extract from it. So suppose if I say, yes, this is what I wanted to upload. Now, immediately for a verification purpose, before submitting the expense, what will happen is a 4-digit OTP will be sent to my email ID for a verification purpose that, yes, it was me itself. So if I just come over here and see OTP has been sent to my account or my email ID. So I can give any email ID over there. So suppose 6536. Now over here, let me enter a wrong OTP and show you if we are doing OTP verification also or not. So if I just enter wrong OTP, see over here, the OTP verification is done and it says a wrong OTP. So if I come and enter the correct OTP, it goes through it. So yeah, you see it's verified and done. So this was related to the OCR part, where you saw that any document which we can upload into the digital assistant, we can extract all the text from it. Now, apart from this, we also have a latest thing that we have done recently. And again, there is a blog written how you can, and you can go through that blog and see how we can do that. But that is related to the translation part. So for example, if I come and if I want to try out something in in different languages, so we have built a multilingual bot using Oracle AI services. So yeah, if you come over here, you see the bot welcomes you by obviously the default language is English over here. But suppose if I come and ask something in German over here, so if I say hello in German, the bot understands, but this moment we have trained the bot only in English and Romanian. So it says, well, I know German, that you are speaking in German, but I'm only trained with these things. So, okay, so let me go with Romanian over here. So if you see over here, as soon as I selected Romanian, the bot answers me back in Romanian. Now over here, we are not using any translation services like Google or Microsoft or anything. We are just using Oracle AI services to achieve whatever I'm showing over here. So now if I come and ask something in Romanian, like for example, let me first ask the same questions in English. So for example, if I ask, what is ODA? Now, if you see, the bot immediately understands that this person is speaking in English, so it replies me back in English. Now, the same question, probably I can ask a different question, like, for example, native languages supported in ODA. Now, you see, the bot answers me back in English. But the same thing, suppose if I ask it back in Romanian. So what I've done is I've just kept some Romanian translated texts over here. So let me ask the same question in Romanian and see how the bot answers. Now, if you see over here, as soon as I ask the question in Romanian, it immediately answers me back in Romanian. Now, the same, I'll ask a different question in Romanian, and it answers me back in Romanian. And as I said, if you want to achieve this, there's an article already published in Oracle blogs, and Violetta will be sharing the link as well at the end, which you can go through it and you can try it out. Now, apart from now, these were the different things that, and there are much more things in AI services that you can achieve. These are some of the things. How you can do these things is something you can definitely go through that blog and check it out. And you can leverage other AI services from Oracle and ODA to achieve everything like this so easily.
So guys, as I had promised during the webinar of the links, so these are the links. The first link is to the link of the whole webinar where you can go and browse through or check it out, a lot of different other things apart from the AI services. Apart from that, during the AI services time, as I had shown you how we can connect to the AI services APIs and all those things, and how you can invoke them in your skill. This is something that you can find out in the second link, which is a blog link of mine. And the third thing that you saw of a date picker, which you saw in during the demo. So that is also something that you can try it out in your digital assistant through the third link that you have over here. So overall, please go ahead and try them out. And thank you for watching.